Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how I relaxed my almost 7 years natural hair. Here I'm showing you how I have destroyed, I'll use the word destroyed, my hair due to the problem I have with trichotilomania. It's a problem I have with pulling my hair. I don't know, it's just I can't control myself. It's something I find doing, so I'm hoping that this will help. Here I've sectioned my hair into 4 parts. You can see the glove I'm using the regular medical glove. I couldn't find the plastic glove, the normal transparent nylon glove, because the hair I'm going to be using is the lye relaxer, so it's not like the no lye relaxer that comes with that in the set. Here I'm using hair cream all around my head, around the hairlines, to as much as possible minimize bond, so that I'll go in with the hair. I'm going to leave the description in the description box the items that I used to achieve this relaxed hair. So I'm going to go in with the hair cream. This is TCB hair cream. A quick one to quickly go grab my phone, because this is a lye relaxer, and from the instruction on the product it states to leave the hair for about 15 minutes. So I wouldn't want to exit that to avoid over processing my hair. So I quickly went, grabbed my phone, set my timer, and I'm about to start applying the hair. So I'm loosening the hair here, and then I'm using Motions relaxer regular. That's the relaxer I'm using. And then here is where it dawned on me that I'm about to change the texture of my hair for good. It's a lot to take in, I must say, but well, I got over it and started relaxing my hair. Please take notes in this step. What I did here was I applied the relaxer on the ends of my hair first. I did that all through the hair before going to the base of my hair. The reason for this is so that the ends will process well first, because when you're coming back to retouch your hair, you don't need to apply relaxer on the ends of your hair. You just need to apply to the new growth, so that when I'm coming back for a retouch, maybe in 2 months time, I'll just be working with the base of the hair. So by the time I'm coming back to retouch the base, and the time it will take to finish applying relaxer on the base of the scalp, on the base of my hair, and the time it will take to wait for the relaxer to be done, I expect that the ends of my hair would have relaxed first. So that's what I'm doing here. So you see, I'm basically applying on the ends of my hair first, then I would then proceed to the roots. Though for some reasons, I don't know, I lost the video of applying the relaxer on the base of my hair, but this is how it went, and I needed to work fast. If you're doing this by yourself, if you're not going to meet a hairstylist, you need to be fast. Like I said, I had 15 minutes to do this and wait for the hair to be done, but I think all in all I used about 20 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes to be done with the hair. And here I am done with applying the relaxer all over the hair here. I had also combed. I used a white tooth comb to comb all around the hair. I tried as much as possible to not use small tooth comb. The reason for that is so that to avoid breakage as much as possible. So I used the white tooth comb. I think going forward, like in subsequent relaxing hair, I'm going to use a I'm going to use a narrow tooth comb. Now you can see, I can tell you, I must say, this hair so far is really painful. I'm feeling the pain, and I have about just a few minutes to go. So we are going. I'm just cleaning off, and then I made the relaxer makes a whole mess of, like, it made a whole mess of the whole place. It's, I don't know, after some time it started dripping like water all over my body, the seats, the floor. You can see my body, you can see the cloth I'm wearing. You have relaxer all over, and this hair is really paining me around my front hairline. It's paining me all over these areas I'm pointing at. Those are where the points where I'm feeling the pain. But I see what I'm trying to do here. I'm trying to pull my hair again. Then I realized, and then I stopped. I have a problem with pulling my hair. Please comment in the description box if you know how I can help myself with this. It is really a problem that I'm seriously looking for a way to control. Okay, here I'm done with washing the hair, and it's time for the reveal. So here we go. So this is what the hair looks like. Finally back to relax. Well, I must, before going natural, I used to relax my hair myself. It's something I'm used to, so doing this one is just like going back to what I knew already. If it's your first time, it's may be a lot of work. If it's your first time, I would advise you need to work fast, or you go to a hairstylist. Here I'm applying the hair protein onto my hair. That's the hair mayonnaise. But I skipped something here. I forgot to, okay, no, I didn't forget, because I was in a hurry. I didn't deep condition the hair, but I deep conditioned it after a week when I came back to wash the hair a second time. So here I'm just applying the mayonnaise, the organics mayonnaise protein treatment all over my hair. After applying that, I'm then going to go in with a plastic cap to apply some more. Apply as much as you feel is okay, generous or not, anyhow you want, or anyhow you feel is enough for the hair. And then I'm going in with my plastic cap, just going to cover the hair with that. And then the next thing is to wear a heating cap. I'm going to wear this cap to like steam the hair. I'm going to I think I sat under this for about 20 minutes. I sat under this for about 20 minutes, and after which I washed the hair, and that's going to plug it in. So secure that. Well, mine loosens, I don't know, it comes off and gets loose. It doesn't hold that tight that much. So here I'll just go plug this in, and I sat under it for about 20 minutes. So here you will see me. This is the final look of the hair after the retouch. The following day I straightened the hair. Check the next video for how I did that. Thank you. Bye bye.